Welcome back. We're back again. It is what it is. Rika balcony. Na pepo. Yeah, the dukan so na one and one mahongoni. I'm rolling bus diwa na mungu. Ni men Gale. Waran ni mun ndamba katara ni mun na kwete wa fekos ting ding ding.
If you know Katrandi Mweni, Nyashude. Sanga Missy Producer Yashundi, Mama's boy, our producer.
Yo. Arari welcome to Deva General online. Check us go Mama's boy. Can
show
Mama's boy.
Show yeah. Let's talk blame producers.
Producer was kwamba cheat.
Not kwamba cheat. Not go blame for me.
Happen to comes or hey, fuza. Shut up. Right.
What people need to know is that this show is called Street Talk. And if you're an artist or if you are whoever you are, Renipa platform. Yeah. We give you a platform, that platform. So it depends, right? We can give you a platform, and if not that area, let it out. We won't even ask you anything. You will just that's
what Fusa.
That's what happened. That's what happened.
Lodi.
And people should know that this show is not to push only Venrap. We don't only talk about Venrap.
It's not about Venrap.
It's not about Venrap.
It's about having fun. Talk about things like chilling in the street.
Yeah. We talk about everything. You know, we are all about trend. We are all about everything that's happening, and we are all about helping people. We're not about Venrap.
Come on.
The last time I checked a podcast here, I invite Imbi.
No.
People come as who they are, and then we take it like that. We
give people platform. If you want to say something, you come and say it.
Yeah.
No. You can talk whatever you want to talk, or we can ask you questions if we want to ask you questions.
People don't know Ramatamba Manjara visa for that.
Plus 18.
That was beyond 18.
That was
my way.
And I think whatever happened, Fusa at some point he wanted to say that.
And he never got any platform to voice out.
Guys, point of correction. I'm no longer Fusa. I'm Balodi.
Hey, can I load? So guys, as you know, our co-host Ukadidoda Ndibomareba, he's still going to be the co-host of the show, and he's still going to talk about
guest. He comes as a guest.
Yeah. It's a guest host
with us.
He will still be coming. Udo amba mafungoma nyinga hip hop ya venda and other hip hops. Udo jidaka show yashu adoba ayapanda. Mara, what people should know. We are not only about Venrap. Riabananga Venrap nyanra kwa mara kwama. Mara, right basically Venrap page aninga ru.
And we are not responsible to of what people say.
Yes.
So if somebody says something,
we are not
responsible for that.
We are not responsible.
The are not responsible. You understand?
With the fikana, with the ambere, her guest, asibu difi, her podcast.
With the fee, I'm ambi. Then they don't hello duba. Asizwine rinera tibatekanya nazo. Zihamba sone wamba. Emara robo kwa la fusa. Ngwa sema ride. Yo.
Nani ngeke usazwane mama no.
Robana
Uchiko kwa you guys. Muambi wa mapungu usibe you.
We just gave a platform, and the platform was
grand. We prepared a show that day. Everything was prepared. We're going to talk. We're gonna sit down, look at a lot of things. Rika did tomorrow. Yeah.
Yellow bone. The red one.
Oh, red bone. Yes, Rika did robu yai.
That was going to
Lamuna to the char papa.
I'm not dreaming.
I don't know what they're. I don't have a phone.
Show and the Musifuti. Yeah, I think today's show is jam-packed. We're going to talk to one of the artists.
He was supposed to be here today, but man, the weather is freezing.
So the artist, Venrap, the muimbi wa South Africa, onoimba nyimbo the Afro-pop, R&B,
kana venda pop, kana what pop. As long as it pops,
it's just a small
pop.
It's just a small thing there. So, the show is
Rojula ka balcony, men geli o itangade, apa ka balcony. Otawanyara. Men geli otawanyara.
Men geli kasu zote zote umrotawanyara oite.
Nyara ni buchiro man.
Oh, okay.
Nyara is life. Nyara is life.
But how was the elephant meet?
Hey, I don't know what we're going to hand to our elephant meeting. A blind. The elephant meets.
Tshivenda chila to go deeper. Elephant.
Tshivenda chamdo. Mara dombuza ini bungangani abunya ni bujia. Bunganga ni bujia.
Bunganga
Mama is bozo duzo nganga was deeper.
No, bunganga ati bujisi.
Zorokola serious.
Ari zubeso. Zidinga bunganga Vhafunzi buprofita bukoma mtanda maini mingoraro. It depend uri na madokotela see it depend uri mpho yanu ni shumisa
for me
una vane vachishumisa vaishumisa ngandira kwayo avane vachishumisa vaishumisa ngandira yobvonda ndira
ure you can't do both. You can't be nice and be bad.
No,
you will always influence the bad, man. Once you go dark, the light will be there.
Oh, the arara hunde ndiso kamsi dinganga mara nthusa bathu ngwana mo muthu da antela skandala tingotiyo mu
no
you go dark
jana
for me
mara nikazita
but you
can
don't do
mara inumushumo wanu asu baisa bathu nduthusa bathu
ombaisa
zambari bathu batsena badani baisa ni bakho
ndikwamba uthina una level yo baisa
no man na ka
nto tangana
no level yo baisa ti
arali nichipezo ita hezo ati humisai zwa bazuzidenya.
Okay, mara ifani ve woni ri khabunganga unanga ngene dozo henganga ita izizwa so na wena ita zwa so
henganga ino idilanga mishonga ito shimogwa mishonga
ndi chigomutanda
yes
arabiyo mtu
rodiva mishori angadiro thusa vathu basic ko rikhamisa mtu koda
japambana msezo
this level so
abana mtrene utokona robona anibuza mapungu ami
sumazori oyo ane ugwa mishonga hadapi achinongoda kwa uito yakaimunganga
wava chidwamiri no rimire ushuma mini wendi wa mini
aziteri ene mune
vari mudengwa denguri
so apendi kobuza ngore amafano ngeti yaka SK koza
the baby mama
oyo baby mama wawe baby mama wawe ndi ninganga yo is sharp
ola muthu olani looking at profile ya wisumbeza ndi muthu orapa bathu otwasisa weta mini but nichisedza namilumbela mtu
unambirumbi ngameshusa bathu
no watu sabathu mara zvito zvawo zvineamba zvinaka social media zviyachuwisa
no mara ndikomfa chamba uri ene osiya mafungo othe nduni hangeini ari vapasi vetemeni vamushumeri
zve asvikaita zvone nedhanduni ndipyo
kwa aninge ndune une arafa ona
aninge kurandabura
ndumbeni vari ndumbeni
ndumbani nepala
ndumba
zve asvika azviita hangeni ozvisiya haningei uri zvidodhilana zviyamba zvondedza zvona mwana uchipfi arali onivopera panga bodhiro navo pari chui aveya kure zvodzura ningei
and obuswa apfi una vana vaviri different fathers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Apo so aba bokotsi bothe abakushuma abakuita zwa vhudini. Armin. Arhai bothe.
Hola ni wa bora othati ona no pondo to pandeli wa borani. Dai.
Wa bora opanelwa bolani. Oyiwo actor
Ina mutusi ngange.
mara ndinyo
Zambonzi mishumo yawe.
Ori ano Oscar ambor mini.
Vapasi kapa ngitile mushumo.
Abaite mushumo ngora abo.
So ara bapasi one thing like
Vapasi ababasi muthu.
nah, they don't do
Uri bokotsi abo kusapota bana. So mafungo tendia siyana bapasi.
As problem ya vapasi yo support abana. Ndi problem ndi different yako siya.
Mara sima zoro bapasi ndibone bone.
Hola muthu oya ka TV ari eno no mushonga ofara munna. Uri munna siye pitu. Wa majita sokuzula.
No mona ga kwa iga interview
Kani la show yabo una show wela ni yabo leni la
itabaka mzanzi ndekho
ya ne yezo zwambi wela suzofi ndina muri ndiyafara ndatari imuna ngasitu wala mntu ka business
Zidedi baby zawo.
uhamba ngo
wala mntu ka business
ifani uhamba ngo
mudengwa dzidengu
ifani vatuwa huiti yezo zvinobwete
wala funo uya mura
bakuti umela murawo
ne mura shaka akodia holy shit
Maroc ifani ara mtu confessa ngorari mapolisa general
na
timu ko rambori eno abapongo to ita
shaka ko the revenge
No.
shaka ko the counter
Mapolisa zidaweza roko funa mlandu wa mimi.
shaka ko
oro ita zvitu odo hamba ti
shaka ko the counter it's either you block or you fight back.
Harry Potter
Mapolisa wa general.
mara ndinyo no jia video zino arali shaka kujua video
You know, there's one thing people. I think I've said it before. Uri, but when I hang out now, when kaila mwa video hii, unawanga mushaya shaka. Wewe kwamba lori shaka kaite mimi. Bako mtu tuweza utazo zilo zindwa.
Bati bena wani tu sezwi
Ni batu
wataka mkoa.
Nganda hela ni unaimwe ya garage ni futi. Nganda hela ni unaimwe ya wani futi. Nduri
don't volunteer us.
Yeah, volunteers ngombra zenda kuchimira. So, batu bena kuchimira na boy. Ndi batu bena wako mu influencer aite hezo zitu. Khobona ngori ndi shaka ndwa TV. Mara again wako mjia video. Rozi yamula samdar arana mungana ani abone chimana mungana no mjia video no kambiyo. Kanda mwafaka. Kati like
Useless as mtu achitu.
ninga chimana mtu ndori. Zembo rina kukura na wako visa phone utapanyari. Ora matope. Ara mtu mberko saya anati. Na ndifusa ndiko ni sender marapala wa mpinji. Mratwanga wawa. Tingo to ja video nanda upload ka TikTok ka Facebook ka mini. You can't do that.
Mara ara mngana wano achi pusha content ka YouTube.
Still there's levels. There's levels. There's things that happens and you find that ndingasi poster hizi. Na mndazo poster and if knows it address indirectly. Mar not to expose
No, ifan azoitia mimi. Mama's boy orale ne. Ndikamjia video. Ndi brayao. Ndasonda poster ndarime. Mama's boy ovudini wanga nyinyi mini that's okay na mafungwa so.
Kana ngonja video ndiko tripe na Mama's boy reso mro.
Ifan. Ke tumbe ora. Arije Mama's boy ukopera mtu hapa badani. Ukopera mtu badani hapa anisema Mama's boy. Lakini sema Mama's boy ndamini. Natapasi. Na ndamini. Ngorola mtu zine. Kana mtu semana naye. Ndaja video ndarimi
as evidence.
Ndaja video. Akana ndaja video ndaipost ndarimi. Abantu vadina Mama's boy wadini wanga mutu mini. So Mama's boy ita so. Apendi kwamba this is like in good terms. Mama's boy already wabo ngwana. Mo mutu ajela video. And Mama's boy ko roba tu mini ngongo zo the content chincha. It's a different content.
Rather speak over the video when you're shooting it. Why are you taking it?
You can even do that, but mimi wa visual voice yanu hapo ngwa sound ya ruimbo afimini.
But one thing is as friends we need to know, friends, brothers, sisters, whatever.
We don't do this.
You need to limit and you don't need to remind no. This is out of the way. Come on. I know no matter. But there is a line I need to say, no, dude, you can't do this. Come on. Ndando Jeff video ndiko dio kaiza kana ndameka sure anojiwa isongo ya public. So people will stream you baba, they will stream you live.
Amara I think ngomba ngonjere mtu nje video asimngana wanu.
You can't expose. Remember
unabana ngochora murango je video.
Look, your little brother your little brother looks up to you as a hero. Then you appear on the video as a junkie.
You're no longer hero now. Now you're a bully.
So they but when Nigeria to protect your image, what you do, how you live your life, not to revive expose and put you in jeopardy. I hope I'm not much coach right up.
I'm not sure. So suka ngori Gogo Mweni nga Tshivenda xo tambaho kana xisingo tambaho
Agele ngomba
mas boro hamba
tingopeza
mas boro mini mas boro mara zinakuda zvone mara serasi natona baby mama dzikosenda WhatsApp uri hey can I sort him out
nazo matamba manje mara atagumeli vana man
just straight
ngongona
just straight
so come to bafunga dziboneta mamona
no not even uneta again
arali mutu oshava na munozo woto dishavisa
mara dishavisa no
arali asingo shavisa arali asingo dishavisa odro shavo nga zwitwa zwa nubo there's no need to me kuguma wetu
Aro dishavisa no
Shaka names do Shaka no anyway ola munhu kana uka stage man mana ribeka mafunga abantu ni ke black coffee or in a Grammy.
Shout out to Black Coffee, man. Shout out to Black Coffee. I think Black Coffee mara wamba ngone Tshivenda Black Coffee marai una Grammy ndo una Grammy mara
mukana bore milimo ne vachi mukhoda
bonye
vane vashango
botakala bore
Mara peltuzure
Ormin
That is Africa zito
Black Coffee yangu wina Grammy
Sokoto Islam
Black Coffee
already artists South Africa they don't really need it first Sokoto we win now because how we win but not really important because Wizkid yangu win so peltusi una mafungo peltusi
nyongo cheka zori ndi vapiyo vathu va Africa va South Africa
peltusi una ties yori arari usongo wina muthu onomufunai ubona problem
mara ifan sana ndikwamba uzone ne Black Coffee I have never give myself time
no back in the days right now for me he's a big artist
I know my cousin Black Coffee is the go-to guy afu kuna Black Coffee ma disofing kind of guy he's there hongwan mara for me okay but here's the list the South African artists who have ever won Grammy awards.
Okay.
I know Black Mambazo.
Rena Black Mambazo boy winner nga 88
until recently.
Nga 88 boy winner. Let's check another one. Black Mambazo again 2005 boy winner nga album fi Rise Your Spirit Higher. Right? Yeah. Rabana Soweto Gospel Choir. You winner 2 years in a row.
Do you think when you'll ever win it?
2 years in a row. Soweto Gospel Choir, we winner 2 years in a row. Yeah, the way you know footed the same year. Lady Smith Black Mambazo. I think this group has been doing
these
the
guys
most.
Have won it million times, man.
Arabia Footy 2016 Lady Smith Black Mambazo. But the winner foot.
Oh, winner
yeah, but the winner footing at 2018 again. Lady Smith Black Mambazo. Until now 2022 Black Coffee Atshi winanga subconsciously. No bad famous. So artists whenever dominate and the Lady Smith Black Mambazo. There's no the Black Mambazo nothing. So it's a gospel choir now Black Coffee. Yeah. So mara big up man. Big up to Black Coffee. Big up to Black Coffee.
I saw even his ex-wife, I think current girlfriend again. I'm not sure, but maybe not. Yeah, congratulating the husband. Even though Kotia Doja Keti what she generated.
Do you know that album?
No, he doesn't do music for South Africans anymore.
Yeah, that's why maybe.
Yeah, music always no longer about. I think I don't know if electro or mini.
The electro.
Yeah,
what?
The club. Man.
Naya konka ukutambwa piano. Angasitame konka. The Black Coffee owner.
Yeah, he's around.
obuya usumbedza bathu chiphuga chiyachiwe udzula ninge udzula pano udzula ninge
ini ngatozodzula
le coffee ndobona Doja get your winner khoti yawe mbodla
kwatwamba vari vakwamba vari ndikolibwa mwana mumwe osaporo
mwananga mini
avangwamba vakuclaima mini
Twitter
zondi yori vatu tweet vatu vanji vana enga panda and the frustration in this world, in this country we have, or around the world, it's all about trying to drag. If I drag someone or I make someone feel a pain on social media, but they're enjoying to do that. But Doja Cat might not have met the father, like what they say. No, the media will tell you about to meet. But the last time, if you go back, she said, the last time I spoke to my dad, I was 13. Yeah, if you check all her interviews.
Mara ndana mbodla nga December kwamba ruko vaninga ya America mini.
You know what? There's things you're not supposed to say. Come on. There's things you're not supposed to say. And then if you want to sell your album, people must always feel pity for you.
Mara urukulisha muzika msinomfa kwamba.
Yeah, or kudorisha muzika ngori bathu vaitisa hani na social media nei.
Mara ndiye nano kuwapa information futhi musika.
You know what? This South Africa, they will drag you.
Tonga una about 20 something and
so abako disadorisha muzika.
And the guy
I'm sure she has other.
She knows what kotsi about commenter to show. She knows what might kotsi about commenter nakazi nipezo ao. Ne? That other thing wambori mini no gumama na endina 13 years. Kazi ngo interview because remember ni artist you are told what to say to sell.
Yeah, true.
Everything get cooked for you. Uri ngoto amba so number so na behave so na chimira so.
Hey, it's an image that will sell. You need to be an image that will sell.
If you can't sell,
bonora ndombra zipepezana or nikono ringisa muzika. Comes that's what muzika nso kurengisi.
Ini kudambra kitepeza.
Kwa chimba nambra BVD hapa. Or niwe sharp.
Industry muzika kaembare.
Arona ku BVD.
Or chimba nambra verse.
Industry muzika kaembare.
Dori mini nati.
Uro chimba nambra verse.
Dori na dianga ruvesa na BVD.
Na BVD.
Na gidimani.
Pepo nika na mvurani.
No stop tap.
No one. This Ifan the same way muzika achambara mask. The image with the image yao. Wabona Black Sam, what's more Black Sam ngoro mdiba.
Black Sam achambara my image is too heavy.
Abana gonondo. Woman gonondo. No Black Sam.
Now who's go
na mzagezeke.
Abia fin Black Sam ndi Clio. Mzagezeke ndi Sbu.
Ntu gonondo ndi Arthur.
Mara
but that's it.
Mara mzagezeke ndi na voice ndo ifele kwa the guy.
Mapungo manga zeke amabana bashi. Snoop Dogg to be win a Grammy.
Let him do something.
Snoop Dogg.
Let him do something. Trumpis your visa album ngana the strong.
Matsina ubogo uchekwa minya.
Yeah, winner. Yeah, winner award it. That thing was 18 years later if I don't remember.
Uchekwa minya opetru.
Ardemi.
Uchekwa ndi nyora kango mro ana ngari pangala chira dezo zvino. Ana ranga kono muda zvino rafuna.
Yeah man. Snoop Dogg.
You guys come rani jere ni rubuzori kazi Grammy uchekwa minya.
No, kazi
award read theory.
Oskidova sa win award. Nobody vanyi vachiko release as a hit mara no award.
Hemon nothing. Hemon he has been doing this for the longest time. Arakwambanga Snoop Dogg. Dude, obia on a record label ngora akujakupwa maruva akupwa flowers.
Nizibona zori bathu they've done so much. That's why sometimes they only honor you when you're gone because they never give a damn when you're still alive.
Yeah.
Hey, abena ngazo nemo ufiwa 50 cent.
Chatukuresa.
Ufiwa 50 cent. Homuna hana piano ntika radio yao. Ana piano niza piano ipi.
Uno.
Damba piano.
Ndoma ngalo limorutshira kulira una musari chikodara mnikati wa. Akoni mandiza. Broma this jumpy wa.
Ndore unafia mwananga offer lightning yabana. Bototo.
Yeah, bototo.
No guys.
Mwananga offer lightning.
I think the only piano.
Who know the gangster rap?
or adzongo daresa.
Ufingwana ngofara pia, ofara light hapa.
Okay, I listen to Stocky, ne?
Yeah.
Stocky, the Filori with I don't know, I won't say timeless music.
It's like the originator of
sound here
strong music.
Like you can play it over and over.
Yeah.
It's well arranged. Like everything is done properly. Come on. Then unaza ichitanga ichinoni varinje chine chata namaporisa kabza ne unachitrack zine they are not in the mainstream.
These are blind.
Zine they were like when you listen you feel like I'm listening. This is my kind of music.
Yeah.
Come on.
No,
because
boy. Mara goreni au na nyimbo za watu.
Ndafukura DMX.
Ai, ndafukura 50 Cent.
Kana Tupac.
Narichidava kuti zvinostukana zvinyamba motherfucker mini.
Rumanga
specialist ndizvi.
Mamba nyiko ndi tombo kwamba kutukana zvitukana kwamba nasi man.
Nasi ndi OG.
Nasi ndi kutukana. No, I do have. Did I just be that? Chimena just be that too. Come on.
Yeah.
Because you know I'm more focused on music wachikale.
What is
No, ndikomba chikale ti atokwamba
venda ningofanyi.
Ndikomba ndikulizwa dzambe bende.
Ndezve.
Ndikorwa dzambe bende. Ndarwa ndivari munyamukarava nonina.
Alfezera mabe.
Kosi yakoli.
Walifezera.
Mabe.
Wakara wakare.
Na Sibasa Pirates.
Yeah.
Kosi yakoli bafi
Sibasa Pirates. Sibasa Pirates.
Ndure musandi wai.
Wazimbira busiku mwananga.
Gelu kuina kise voice.
So yeah, those are the kind of music I'm playing right now. The reason I'm playing that, sometimes I need like nyabona unazitrack za wadenele rwambo.
Yeah.
Zine like it's a pure house tracks zakare. Those tracks ningo teachers nyazi for I'm listening to something. It's not just music. And then I'm listening to Goosebumps.
Okay.
That's my boy.
Yeah, I listen to Goosebumps.
Mara Goosebumps una nyimbo nje. Tituzibia na
No, I sing.
Nene mnoro ambo tina nyimbo nje.
I sing. Okay, una nyimbo za mrao zimwe zina.
Azungu amaziliza.
Yes, but I listen. Yeah, I listen.
I'm not the fan, like I've said before. I'm not the fan ya rap. Goosebumps watukura. Utobari Goosebumps music wawe ne. Kunyanga uri unabu engineering yana nangu. Because unabo scientist.
Before
can I watch a lot of videos Road Kid? I watch a lot of Road Kid. Not this guy Noni. But he was a tanga Kuvik. Not Kuvik man. It's a rapper fast.
Tiger Boy
Mukoni. Yeah. Tiger Boy because I'm loving the style. And then and then I know Racha posts most of the stuff, so I listen to most of his stuff when she does.
You come the rap.
Yeah. And then I do listen to the album Yamizo. Yeah, I listen to
the interview.
Then ukitaka woimba. Motherfucker shit. I don't know.
Even Mama's boy. We just shoot his videos, but you don't listen to him.
Nah. Right now, you're not on the list. I don't want to
you come market.
I don't want to do my repertoire. Right now, you're not in my market.
You're not in the market.
You are not in my market. So, yeah, I'm not really listening to a lot of tracks of him, but because sometimes you need to understand. When you're down, or if you want to think a lot, or you're busy with something, I will go like your gangster rap.
Yeah.
Come on. There's some of the like your what the Reddix. Come on. I'll go back to listen to your Reddix.
Yeah.
I'll go Wags.
Yeah.
And a lot of other guys.
Basengwa ngozori na musi kudofuna na mumwe.
Wawaimbi
arenga muambi kudomufonera zvezvino kudomufonera.
And basongwa ngori zvezvino kudoshera nyara.
Jani zinyara. Mareka jamba ngati yawadzi.
Wait.
Do you still believe
why you
Zvanyara.
Why nikutochera sanyi? Nikutochera sanyi.
Guy,
come music wa venda.
Eish. Yeah, music wa venda.
Wangalala.
There's a guy that I always listen to. Gift Maringa. I always listen to Gift Maringa, and I will always listen to anything Chine Belafonte Atshi drop. I would listen to that. Tutamba rap.
Whoa, wait. What happened to Percy's album?
No. But to download on Spotify and subscribe.
Ni stream
album man. So I will listen to that. Gift Maringa. Everything that he has, I've listened to. Belafonte. I'm always jamming Belafonte. Carrap. Album in Literature Yote. Can do Literature Yote. Literature album in Mizofil. Literature nda techeresa album ya Ramzi ndo nitecheresa yote ne ndo nitecheresa yote mara si rap, it's not rap,
pop.
Yeah, the afro pop na mean
it's pop.
Ndi techeresa nanyi
Mara imagine dropping a pop album and
I also listen to Romeo ndem techeresa ne Romeo.
Oh yeah, Romeo mostly like I just cause
Romeo
I like around the online I check most of his stuff, like watch them, listen, laugh, and then
he's always
active.
Eh?
You know what laugh at me?
Sometimes Romeo chimbono expression like I'm the chimbono I go better coffee.
Yeah.
No expression. Then I start laughing like, hey, man, this guy. So I start laughing.
So yeah. Mama's boy won't ask him because the muimbi. Although exposures already utiyesa me. Utiyesa ne munne page Mama's boy. You must listen to your own self.
That's why
yes.
Vendo in the mimbe eternally put a brown.
I was looking at something ka YouTube ne. We go feel why South Africa, most of them they have blonde hair. These rituals are now what happened.
Who got blonde hair?
And it's a week. Yeah, it's a week.
No. AKA.
Oh yeah, AKA blonde hair.
Yes.
Nzoka nimtu ifashini nzoka rega.
Ngoba nithi wasenza videos la ndikubona. Wonke bayimbe 7 bene
nazile. Oyo muthu unyoto wana content.
Oyo zamu da content. Ai. Yazi nisongo dashi sibecha jiki man. Ai, nisongo jika marubi man. Ndo reason.
Oyo zamu da content. I was saying lo zeba ngadi awards. Do you still think Will Smith and Chris Rocco it was a stunt?
I still feel like somehow it's like a stunt went gone wrong because the public gave it pressure. Come on, that's what I still feel like because of what happened. Now they can't clean it out, so they let it be. Because mostly even when they ban you, they ban you for life. I think you go from to ban 10 years.
Ban 10 years.
They know got 10 years.
Mara mafungo ori ndo bambara kupeche kula kora singo fu baba. Ndione
chetu muzibona.
Bambara wa kupeche baba.
Ndo fo chifi Chris Rock.
Yeah.
Indaba
yo bulliwa is from akodiba primary.
Abantu babona
untu bulela zo.
Abantu today.
Abantu babona comedy yawe la everybody.
Mara ifak. Nero usandari. Okay, Will Smith obeno 10 years ne. Ubeno 10 years kwa mozori kadzi Oscar achado ba nominate one.
Yeah.
Uko nominate you.
Nominate free.
And kwambore obeno first ngocha dadzi atenda. O nominate you ndiri ai.
Obeno ora ngocha atenda.
Ngocha atenda.
Mara one nominate you. Wait. So these guys they ban him. That's what I'm saying. This is like I still feel like it's a stunt. If they ban him, I don't remember Benua because I didn't really follow the story.
Benua
attend. Mara ori I know ndo kuna or resign. Kadzo like he pulled back.
What end kamuso?
Comes to attend although we don't know. But one thing is ori
nominate
Odoropo Antoya.
And then the wife
Jada.
Mara, there's one Jada, you know what? Jada came out saying Uri, she doesn't need protection.
Yeah.
Whatever Will Smith did, generally, like she's not part of it. She doesn't want to. Like I'm just explaining the way I can't quote the whole thing, but saying that like it's none of her business. Like she was supposed to keep quiet, man. You can't say such thing about
your husband.
People want to be relevant, man. People want to be relevant. People want to be relevant.
She has been relevant forever.
People want to be relevant,
you know. But I feel like when she came out and saying that Will Smith, whatever he did it out of his own emotions. What? Like she disrespected him so bad, man. Like she put him in the corner, man. Like that, you know what I mean? Shit. Pa.
Alabama love.
Alabama love.
Come on. But protection.
You know what? Often Obama. La munna venda.
Yeah.
Uno verengi woniani.
Ono no mini.
Ono
zibuku. Ni pesu.
Moru fara za makole.
Omi mini Japan.
Mara zo namtanga bakuziyamba. Ndichisamndi bazina ndadudiri mu.
Ela mshanga itwa nganye. Bato ita wana bana.
Ora mtango radakani.
Radakani.
Mazuri ndi goma mtanda.
Hola zvaulania kunogutisiwa ini ndikaswera ndisindare chine chitumde chafena munana mafenda wendi muna mutso wendi ndidzoveyo chindintu ndimurumura sheta ngobona ngorara ngoraro
ufinise ngomama na dance ngomama na ufinise ngomama mini
Nama muzotemi.
Abeyo na. Ufinise uzikwela mzokototona.
Nikota ngangoni.
Normally. Like just imagine nosona dia nari munamutso. Man, uri munamutso dzove tunde chapfene murumura shedo. Uri munamba beu mukweta jeni. Yesu zvote izvi.
Zvakajina muviri muti.
Kusvika 7 years.
Zvakajina muviri muti.
Tunde chapfene zvikujina muviri. Ndanibudza anibambisa.
Bokola one.
Nema pakabalkona mudzi.
Lako nisa mujiga. Mujiga wantu. Mujiga wa drago kwa drago. Uyakona mujiga nga.
Watu ngola zvitu. Okay guys, come ndori budza veiwori. Grand zunzo kundiwa ngava watu. Votombura vitamini grand ivone notiva. You can hit us up in comments.
You can hit us up.
Can hit us on WhatsApp 0826937124.
Yeah.
Tell us.
You know it. So, but for now, let's get to that stage where I'm about to call one of artists,
Afropop artist,
Afropop artist, Venda. Like I said, the Venrap.
The guy has a great voice.
This guy is a national artist. I see Venrap. The national artist. Let's see if he will answer the call.
Yeah, I'm Mapalani Kaka balcony. I'm by Vavote.
Maybe he will answer the call.
Yeah, let's see. The phone is very low, eh? Yo, Goomba.
The Great White, how's it, my bro? Nareshapo mani live hapa Street Talk podcast ndina Nema ndina producer Shundi Mama's Boy Nermino page
Mama's Boy haiti sana
asa wana jisaro muna usokodzura ahone
ndiene mwitu wa coffee.
Before we even go further my brother, congratulations on your account, social media, after being verified on Facebook. How are you feeling about that?
Welcome to the hacking world.
So it's been long overdue, bro. The guy
yeah.
At some point they didn't even want to give me my name. Like they didn't even want me to use Romeo the Great White.
Yeah.
So when we finally got to change it, if you remember in December somebody had hacked my account.
Because Umbura, yeah.
So after when we got it back, we were allowed to change my name to the actual name, Romeo the Great White. So
Yes.
when I woke up this morning, because yesterday I tried to verify, but they didn't verify anything. So when I did it,
They need to check your details to make sure that you are the person who you say you are. Yeah.
exactly. So I think again, is in the bus that was around the name.
Yeah. I was saying somewhere that Romeo TikTok, and people were posting him on Facebook. After that, boom, Romeo's verified. I was like, yo, what a great white.
So I think that bus also, because remember, one of the things that the key things whenever you check up on the Vendori, the market actually has nearly guy. So I'm guessing it was showing up everywhere. So yeah, man, it was a good feeling. Like I said, it was very long overdue. We've been trying. And 2 years ago, was verified that page.
And I see, man, you are one of the artists in Nebene. They're always active.
TikTok, you always posting.
Facebook. Yeah, no, that page. I'm sure you go live like almost every day. Come back game.
There's one thing I like about
you. Get what I'm saying?
Hey, Romeo.
And
where do you get that face expression? So I think, you know
when you try to concentrate and really make something nice.
Yeah.
It's not as easy. So sometimes you know what, actually obviously you don't know what your face is doing at the same time.
Yeah.
And you can always have a straight face.
Yeah.
So it's just not about it. So we need special expressions.
I think it also makes people see that whatever you're doing, dude, is close to you, is something that you love doing, which is more important.
I think, but through what you do, and I guess one of the reasons the journey online is like to make a content here on it is because I found what people want me to do. Let me put it that way. Like I found my niche. If I can put it like that.
True, man. So tell us, Orimafungo, I'll read Dex and post the account to the social media. What happened to them?
So I don't know. I was busy with my 9 to 5, but I actually get there, which I did in less than 30 minutes, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
And then I posted it. No comment. And then after maybe about people were started going off on it. People were taking in left and right. So I think again, if you go and look at my video on its own is the most watched part of the day.
True, yeah.
And when he saw it, I guess he liked it, man. I think he just felt the way I did it, because I didn't want to sound like a rapper. I didn't want to try to do how he raps, because he does it fast. I didn't want to be something else except Romeo.
You wanted to be yourself.
Like you didn't want to get like boxed in.
I think the best thing about it is I was original.
Yeah, true.
The one thing I always tell people is, music, regardless of what you need, you will hear Venda. That's the fact. It might be one line, but I will make sure.
And I like the fact that how you transpose then. I mean, it shows your originality.
It's a trademark for me. It's
true,
a trademark for me.
Man. Because I was surprised. I was surprised with ka Instagram Romeo Koi, ka TikTok Romeo Koi. I'm like, dude, this is one of the greatest moments.
Yeah, we should celebrate the moment.
Yeah, man, we should celebrate people who are doing good, man. And before the interview, and that to asi Venrap, people they need to know how to tell
Venrap
now national, because you can be national, dude. You can be anything you want to be in
somebody
this
who
industry.
sings and somebody who raps. It's completely different. And one thing, Romeo is not boxed.
Yes.
He's flexible.
Yes.
And to be honest, at the same time, if you go and check on my catalog, from the beginning when I started, it has never been about venda or anything.
Yeah.
Obviously, everyone wants a sort of the north from where they come from. As long as it's a mask for it, venda is 24 now, it's venda.
Yeah.
But it's not necessarily where you focus at.
Yeah,
it's about
true.
doing music.
It becomes a problem when your focus is only one place. That means you're not trying to elevate the culture. You only want the culture to be heard.
True, man. Romeo the Great White, I know this is not an official interview. I know you are going to come to the show. But before we let you go, man, Vimba, just 2 seconds and how people can get hold of the song. It's a beautiful song, man.
So Vimba, to be honest with you, Vimba was my way. Firstly, Vimba was for me to sort of paint a picture for me, so feel na Nicodemic, because those are the two people I approached with the concept, right?
Yeah.
And then obviously, Mizo got super busy. Everybody saw that, and Nicodemic never came back to me. I'm not gonna report it on that.
Yeah.
But then I decided, you know what? I wanna give other people a chance. I wanna do the song, but still, I wanna let other people that don't ever get a chance to record with somebody who's so-called famous to do it.
Yeah.
And I posted YouTube, and people really submitted some dope verses. But again, I wanted only one verse.
The best one. The best one, yeah.
And the one I chose was a kid called Dicho.
Yo, that guy is fire, dude. That guy is fire.
Yeah, I believe probably out of all of the verses I got was the most fire.
Yeah.
And again, they were on that, like, you know, when the person just feels like they made it.
Yeah.
How they deliver, it was not hungry anymore. You could hear how it was delivered just for the sake of the delivery, that's it.
I think the combination that you guys did there is amazing, man. That song is amazing. For everyone who's watching the show, man, page Romeo the Great White. If you wanna listen to the song, you must stream the song, man. You must stream the song. Yes, the verified one. Make sure
dude, we're
looking forward to have you on the show, man, so we can talk more. Thank you for taking my call, man. We'll talk more when you come to the show. There you have it, people. That was the Great White Romeo.
We are here. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Nema Romeo the Great White.
Venda.
Ina kutiki.
Verify it.
Ni cheke kutiki. Romeo the Great White.
Sorry. Now let me do something. Something. Men girl go the verify workers of Chitanga.
Okay.
Now dance I just said for verification.
Okay,
I said Mabundu. Mabundu. I just go video ko Mabundu the first one sima chikuni.
Ni verify ngamini kaka Chitanga. Ni verify ngamini Chitanga.
No, I verify the same thing. We need to be authentic. We're gonna look at your profile, your impact and your influence. Then we can verify you. But there we were just playing around and verifying.
Verify Chitanga.
This guy and to me messenger verify me. That one can come verify.
I don't know you that message.
That one on to me. On to me.
Verify.
No, in the main thing is verifying is sorry. You put your information.
Yeah.
Come on. And then I'll go and check your stuff. Everything okay, this is the right person.
Yeah.
This is that. Because we can't just verify everyone.
Chitangani dosio.
Swachitangani.co.za. Yeah. Or verify or you go test the verification.
Romeo on Facebook as Chitangani.
Yeah, as guys go Chitangani.
Nam sir go sponsor longa.
Namusi Tshivenda Music.
Road sponsor nga
The red cup.
Road sponsor nga red cup.
No feel that you down too. Your Robao dealership into Limpopo. I don't feel that. Or be like into one day BM kana. Yeah, Jenny Lauti. Yeah, inyongo just guru. Unfortunately, una mutoro bao abamdedezi tonga oboto daranga guru inene anepo. Then that guy amutuncha ajia guru ya shaba tonga do abulana mu mutumuti futi mara ofariyo
obaso nguduje guru budubulayo
ara ngo baiza ukutiwa no batu bapinika ngona people panic
Jiran pasa gurinara.
hey
don't bother. I don't know if I'm going forward. Mara ndofanga bongo Vhafunzi vazithabelo vazi blessings dzine dzinguru dzizanya uri zo fema nga murauzi ya podza
Zosula. Before this work as men enyo buko bakirken mamas boy na musi. Hango jena nga get ora ko ngojena get abako rabela watu
watu rabela ndichalwa
watu bamudiwa watu bamudiwa wachito amadiwa
araro karikiro ngichelwa
amadiwa
njena yone mara
ai asiyo nenga yu ai rabela watu bawani
umunora tozo get na rabela rabela
ori rabela watu bawazoni
netu kuyengora belo ndichalwa ndiko
washa wori dimon lawa la bia lidotuwa
ndani hano ndiko tufufu
oh mara fine nenye ngo perse yapo kareke zini zirabela watu bawa ningore miningazo
neti dzizondi
okay no ringo shawara bela na lisha ne kareke ano ai rabela na lisha ini simazora aishumi
yashuma
ishumi za
the thing duri I wish and banga
maranya ni lisha yari shara
kareke nenga uri mzuri nwana mwana ngani
simazo aishumi
nidoli chenu
simazo kareke aishumi
ai watu ni mzuri bari nwani
no
aba
apo nduri shanga mini ke
chitezero kushumisa mini zena
ara munavo ne watu bobvawo apa la watu bobvawo la watu bobvawo la
bijengore batari ndange bafesese zo nikori kareke zine ziusa madimoni zitisa hani
atoka ngofuka demon langala harwa
okay madimoni ndia is demons good or bad
I can't say.
Demon in ashapwa na arongo according to the Bible. Tindi kareke.
Ma demon is so bad.
So ini ngosha ufisoma kunga bad kaini.
La harwa. Ai, ndikoli to dala ngatu ngoti
okay. Ara demon li bad. Kareke ana ifisema demon.
Ai, ati di Tshivenda.
Smozo kekenya aishumi ni.
Zoruga.
Rio fazone. Aishumi.
Mara kareke ndaijena.
Aishumi.
Ina ndodzo.
Ya hani. Ita mini ndodzo yaone ngori ngoprovisa madimoni.
Ini visa from point A to point B.
Hani no ara bero visa abisa madimoni abia over point A to point B.
Acho kufuna ulichana.
Demon is swiri. The same way you are saying now. Demon is swiri. Go you who is swiri.
so ngomore
Demon is swiri. So not kwamba na demon is haro
ni jambori ila kareke so ila kareke ila ni
demon is swiri asini no kwamba ra nipesesa demon no kwamba
demon jambori ila kareke ila ni wani wachiraberera oro ni jura kachipoto wani surera kopeni na fema jisu jela mfuma kazi
ndi mfuma kazi matina
mfuma kazi
ya no mfuma kazi ona unisurera ujura pa kopeni ndo ni surera kabisa madimuni
mazo opwa manda
jambora arade ndisi ngola zodi mumbroni ndabansurera ndi atothe
ini
zibakori ngora bero mini
komlo ni jangu boni kurumera ni shure ni mudozori can you stand that shit in that ni na zura flangu
do you think I can smell that shit bro I want
okay mara
don't imagine I'm said that zura got the big SR
okay kaya kareke
because of imagine time ati ngona time yangu ngelio la ngobona mono myandu vetera pa yo kadzwa ndo pa asuka dzura pa kukopi ne afi ngodo taso chajira pa ningo ai so repeat No.
Mutu murone hasuri mabana.
Urera
Provisa muya.
Aibo.
Mara the fact ndi apply kereke ni rangadori.
Zopambana uvisa muya no sura pamone ndimi.
Ai, zvapambana mambele.
Wani visa muya munomoni kana ningoni. Urodzura kaini.
Murana hatubvumisa. Hatubvumisa
manga mura.
Mara wewe ningoshawa punguliti. Ningolisha abali ni altupera. Mama's boy niri. Kereke ziza visa madimoni asizonena.
Ndizora sizone.
Nirmini ambamba kumapara.
Atongo jena kereke ndikoshawa visa dimoni la rongo ndi ufuna.
Mara dimoni asichavudi.
Nara lilaro kana li right.
Asinono kwamba rikotenda.
Dimoni.
Oramba dimoni.
Liko dimera lere hai.
Liraro. So you think come out.
Larry.
Come out.
Atifoni.
Ngiri arari lilaro. Ndisingobvisiwa.
Come out. So simoza ana Vhafunzi vachipedzeta zozo vashava na 90 million.
Hey, pala wana 90 million ngamunene.
Mara echatenga ponga poto iwana nombu.
Ai.
Mara ange arambani obaone tachunga.
Obaone yala.
Asharade.
Romeo yachirangile chade.
Atdi. Tando. Pare ndizwa ndo wafa kukombera radio.
Ndoba. What if rengiwa?
Furengo ngani.
Ngamuno.
Nyara.
Apa pene yona chedi to pa. Utonga matanga forex. Chedi to pa. Aramba na yidi kwa man.
Warasongoya.
Arashaba.
Zero. Ningabona la washona 90 million. Uko vya ako saverwa upata kereke. Sombora Mfunzi angaona kugaya cha oshabela America.
Oshabela
I think wanafanya USA. So arango cheka la mtu otwana 90 million right converted back to American dollar. Ola mtu minga una $10 million. Wachura wa things. Ati renga ndo adzura ningi. Asashume.
And hakufariwa. Hako wana. Napeli kondi bushi rich for 90 million dirham. Bushi overdhoba. Bushi no mona ako printer.
Bushi how amobuya msasa.
Ha, bushi ra bachi printer zizi for me. For payment. Aronzo tonga buku za wana wa chikolo.
Payment.
Arinapta nzuri
atino udofara proof of payment and rabedari. Mama's boy, I'm sending you what for me blessings. I will take a proof of payment.
Are. Mama's boy.
Come
Dragon Ball. Sorry, Dragon.
Blessings. Ubala proof of payment January. Are Mama's boy mafala. I'm sending you blessings. Ndika ba muthu ena akono ba dinala no udonzina blessings. Asa ndivi no
blessings. Namzara blessings no rumela ti. Idosuka yakona ya khera ngori ukuto mafala ari mafala. Iko mafala.
Blessings zangazika ba matongoni ba hashu. Inini ngasimbe blessing nini? Yeah.
Lungo do ba pasi bo men gain.
Araba rumane.
That can in life.
Oh,
most of the things that I do are zenenda zibona ndo there. Zenchumera, bato dabone ba.
Okay, mama bonisha nishanga ngani mengo yeda mini. Ngori mafungo nenga ngani buza nimezo kubudziwa ini. Ubudzwa eni.
Chomwe chipinga ufuvu so divusa.
Suka mbori mini. Abelenga chikuwa cho tamba.
The wicked.
You wake up the person who was wake up.
Yeah. You are waking it.
Nikombori Gaily ndiko nwana imenowa. Aniko ena za munotakuwa. Ndiko ndo ndakuza. Zombora ngofuna uvuwa yini ndikuyengudzira nepo pazana na baona.
Hai mara ndore nichanga ngani mengo yera mini. Ziko jana gani uvuzo divusawa.
Ziko jana kori ndichanga ngani ndikotoda mini. Arali ndo una sura lebuchona zkonchimera.
Gogoma we.
Ndiko zama, yes, ndiko ngodaka gogoma we. Ndiko zama ori uchiranga mungwe kwine. Mara if ndanga kagogoma we gogoma we. Nemushumo ngari azo right. Ndirwa na bashumisani. Ndiko tota promotion ndiko iwana. Ari gogoma we ni vachishuma zvo kuma zvine zveto promotion ndiwana. Ndidota kwanda kagogoma we ni. Vangwanza promotion.
So ndiko zvangwa mbori TTM ichiyangeni kavadao.
But how you mean Chisore go Arnold ichisuka iko umbela manda anondinyi
Arnold.
Ndikotenda ndi Arnold ndinyi umini.
Abe ifani inchiri vafasi ngomba tini bati ngomba vanyi vapasi
Vapasi ndikomba vadzimu vashu. Usini
madzimu
example ri
titi ifani vadzimu ndi vapiyo ndi vatu vene volovo kale
vapiyo vene vanidhiva ini.
ifani vahazo ndi vatu volovo kale vadzimu arali TTM ikoya anenge ikoya kha vadzimu vahayo vane vaidhiva.
Arnold ndi mudzimu wa TTM.
Ndi vadzimu
ifi vadhawu ndiya mudhawu
ndi vatu volovawo kuti ndi vadzimu
No, ndikubona more specific
ndi timu ya mudhawu
ndi timu ya mudhawu ndasazvidivezo. But now you are saying kuti timu ya mudhawu ndikonifesesa.
mazori
Zembo ri namsobo yakha ano. Abangolata.
Vadzimu.
Yes.
mara point yaneko via ini wera mini ngangani
unori
vadzimu vahambana ini
directly vari
Direct.
yo twana wake up nigga.
why are you going there
Vadzimu vanasinga mitandrane.
Mara bona domla kavi
nikwera mini
so ngori una vadzimu vadzi yo imadzinani una vadzimu la vo mrepa bala vakota bala yo man wake up man nigga.
Yeah.
Then to buy ntwana
ikwambore
so vari muzi vari yo give nikupraisa ntwana
mazoro wayano udova vadzimu vene vadogwisa vantu nautuimba uyu
udokong'onera nyimbo
mara ifani ko ndi munna ko ndi out ko ndi musizana ko ndi mukeguru ko ndi mukara omntu asapfi akuchira pashangoni omntu asapfi achidina onorova noma mudzimu nivo yakaeni vosikana renda ngwana omntu akuchira pa ari mini mene awapi wapengo zvino anova mudzimu ndi vadzimu.
This is a very strange talk. No, we just don't understand. Now I know the works.
Blessings come to you. Good blessings
comes to you, Baba.
Good blessings come to you.
I receive.
Mama, when I'm about, I will miss it. I will miss it.
Iniwa pasipo ni senza hivi. Wewe ni tagomera.
Era ni kwa humisa makwenda. Ambani ahumise. Ka humise.
Okay. Ndikomra farero ngiri. My friend amana.
Naka mapasi umbera farero.
Ntosadwe chitaka tu.
Akoni mapasi kombera farero.
Mapasi ndikombera farero
mapungwenda.
Men geli no mutogomera nemusazenga bitola butu zvimunakere.
Mama boy, nana ara kamzoroni kesai. Rekwa humisa. Mapasi wete mini.
Vamutogome. Casual. Hey.
Mara.
Ugoshona chinefu zvino rifar. Hey, casual.
Ati inotoya yanova iko pamudzimu.
Bileyo chena. Bileyo na.
No, akotamba kutobvunzika kutambakutokutana mimi.
There's a lot of things that happen.
So TTM yoya ntuni kochara ndombonambura chisora. Ngona.
Vachuka graveyard.
Yeah, graveyard na vatambi nyana vamwe. Asika vatami.
So saluta.
Vakasaluta mimi. Hai. Bora dzovhura rikutamba zvino ayani na mini. Kochara ndombonambura chisora.
You disaluta.
Saluta. Abarange panda.
Ngona.
Meya wawe uba thusi.
Mara gelo kusembudzisa apa. No,
I think based on my understanding sorry. Ngani safi mara depend on mbili yami yo chena ichiagaya.
Ichenisa hani. Nani gevenga.
Mara I understand why abana bathu boyaka anu. Ano over Asafi, but he was a good guy.
Asafi.
Mama ngole diveni.
Mama bore Asafi.
Mara bama ngole diveni. Ndu fezo su.
Dini wakamusri.
Amdini.
Mara kambori. this guy ndichipfanga achitungdiva fund one mara ndori vathu ngandrene
uri amudhima rarasapfi
ndifachifihafi vamava ngandrene he's a good guy so that's not what I'm saying TTM yetu ayaka ano I'm pretty sure uri ndira dzavo dzidovhura man I'm giving them my blessings because ndimuvenda brand vavenda
ndibaba uri vafasi vachimisa art
I believe I don't know I believe
yeah
no like girl no I was very much ignorant
ndizvo
vapasi namina zvothe ndandisabhelieve kazvo
avahoni vapasi
mongwana
ndikwamba uri ifani the worst thing ndeyori mudzimu une vathu vanyi vabhilivha khawo ifa mudzimu ene vathu vanyi vabhilivha khawo ndi mudzimu ene votointroduciwa nga vathu vevada namina khoyo mudzimu mina mara zvahashu
ndizvo
hashu vathu vanyi vazvishavela rumwe vangwana vazvishavela namina vangwana
I think ndichikwamba ngazvahashu ndofuna mumwe mufunzi if not prophet ndikomubona kama ndinovhura but TikTok ndikosedzerazvo not TikTok YouTube havala munhu I think ndozvamba last of last week
unozviyamba uri zvaeaster
busy nikopraisa vathu vane ani vadhivi nikurichopraisa kosi
andiudze something neunongodza easter ma 2000 akoita ngazvazvitwa kare zvoringa easter wekerekeni akota party
dzovhura zvino yamuri yovhura aitovhura
kereke adzituvhura arizesisatuvhura kereke
dzituvhura rino najinizesisi
ndikomuri
ma 2000 atanga zvachiti hezilavo nikota ri holiday utopedza veivhara holiday agood friday
madimoni mamasbon
ngori konobudza one thing ndiyori ma 2000 adakorwa murenje ukotwa party kuru kufanira kutani mugivera svonda musumulo avuata bra hezvo ivona ndanungwa kerekeni nikiri
mara ndizvo egelzo nemiyanga volova kutsanga volova ndi busy ndikwa kerekeni atikusasaraza kereke ndiyajena kereke blind ndi busy
nazomini asitaidzo amazibo ujena kereke nayanamirayo azinamira minji yazigobhuti ongwana
ndudzanskanaimpandedi unochinji
ndiskana naimba nachinya vati wafi vamwana kadari mubvisani pakereke ukamubviswa napakereke
ndindiye usiku wote ndikoimberera rufu rwa murena Jesu ndiko richorera usiku wote ndichikumbura minyanga nakotsianga ndiipiyo
mara mama's boy do you believe in God?
I do
so
manati kerekeni
mara ndikotova ndibhizi ndikorera murena Jesu
mara you believe in him?
No.
Unbelievable.
I don't believe.
Okay,
mama's boy.
I believe in him because of Batubari. Tshivenda natural hafi mudzimuko.
Vochirange ambaro dobuya vochirange.
Achikobuya akobudza nyoro kobuya.
Akudza musha na prophet.
Ino prophet na musha ne madiba.
Weze kiyera na bonyi.
Sho bala baby basho badiba
umati. Orochirana la matanga. Imagina, amatanga abanama yachunga chawo. Bomushe. Mushe chiyo je matombo ala.
Lento neno.
Mushe.
Na bomusha bara ine hapo.
Gumile mewe. Mumusho lito ndo rosumela fala.
Odori kesa. Sorry. Umefara kama mdzimu. Umefara kama mdzimu.
Mwali.
Never.
Mwali.
Ndikohana.
Nifere
ndikohana.
Nertere. Hoizwa kwamba
kumbereka bapasi pesa.
Ngari nimuzoro nere. Barikomba chiti.
Mina kereke nzunza mtembi mdzimu.
Ayimba.
Ndambo zarongo.
Ndabala kereke chikubu ndi. Utoimboro ichinwa pesa. Uyena zvone.
Urwacho uchanzungurwa chine ngasitive. Tu.
Marangeli resign ne
Waradoni mini.
Ndikota resignation letter ya.
Mwali mtumbuka mwatu rarubimba. Zomwa given na ardi patakanyina.
Ndibapasa. Ndi nyima zino
kwambiwa.
Mwali. Ndi fila Tshivenda rim mudzimu.
Olo okanda wange ntwe ndinyi.
Ndiyene ndi mwali ndi
mudzimu.
Mazo
mudzimu one.
Okanda ugai.
Okanda hapo je asinjerere.
No, ndikuti anenge mumakonde nani. Yabona nadapula nada.
One mudzimu mazibuni ngwaneza.
Asi mudzimu.
Ndiwo mzoro mtoto suka tokanda pala kutombora bode yabva sala mulenje.
Atatombola bode.
Ai mina singurudi.
Abatom on kana tamula body ya nine.
Ini
Chef zimoko buya mianga chabalwa 2011 ndo balindela abantu buya.
Ambaro dobuya.
Lini?
Chikati na
Arari
mimi
nibuze.
Ndobe ndo nofanne.
Hai, ini chifa.
Ah,
kesho. Ini chifa kama mzwa kudo Jane.
Ndaba abantu mzimu.
Ndaba kudo Jane.
akasimu mzimu.
Ndaba mzimu.
Zingabuya shangweni.
Ndaba egeli. Ndaba mzimu ti.
Akaona bana bako ngora nyimbo msikoze.
Zingakipesa.
Zingafori. Ngadiwari. Ndo tukura. Nendo kangwa. Ndo tukura.
Mzimu mazboy. Mara imno. Ambaro ndidobuya. Enda chibuya ti ndo mangalo nobuya we. Arenge.
Orangawela ati.
Ono
la out ndio nero kupira.
Abena zo mudzimu bewe osvika asukasukodzura vatu vakomangana zo ndinyi matsandiyane sukodzana fara sokumangana zo kutangana mimi
Itachobalesa bavili.
asukodzora sokorare vatu
kusema
kusema
mukalo wangu ngaba madikoni kana Vhafunzi. Vachekera kana vasona nini ni kana vamadiri ekuliso katomvulera ipipi yapo.
Ndele matama chivula bavili. Adori. Yeah, for abukati. Left, right, no.
so TTM engo kaka mara
Nah, TTM engo kaka.
TTM they did a good thing.
They're doing what they believe
Yeah.
is right, and you should respect. Like, you know what? Sorry. I lost my homie Louis. Like, we have lost a lot of people in this music industry.
Yeah, man.
Like
In music
Sometimes you-
music in
sometimes not Zura.
music
No, the industry, entertainment industry.
in this tonga ningayo
In this entertainment industry,
zwa kurelease nyimbo
Ngongwana. Every Friday na nimburuso.
Wako diori. Dotabanyara.
nyara zimewanda ure
Balcon.
Dotabanyara.
Kama zvebara. Nyara mwazoria. Nena kana kalenda rabulasi no. Na chikiri chao.
Dotabanyara.
Next time arani munyangota kana social media ngiyadina.
Mara, you need to understand what I'm saying. Sometimes there's only no Zura, and you'll feel like the presence of someone you're thinking about is there.
Yeah man. Yeah man. And nicheke ara kamse ha no atwa muntu ne. Zete ya beg yepela lo mtu ngumulora.
Yeah.
Ngwana. Ngorno dora mi.
Urudu
Baone. Ngwana. No chuwa chuwa. Ina kamze ngozi kamara.
I know there are people manchi ina munangor e mamnangor.
Everything is up here.
Kurumera ngubu.
Everything is up here. Everything is up here.
Mumbro.
So to the mumbro. Your mind will
That's
show
how
you
you
what you
keep.
want to
That's
see.
what sometimes people say. You keep someone alive in your heart, in your mind. That's why sometimes you think, like, yo, Ricky.
Hey, and another thing.
Cotton Fest.
No, not Cotton Fest, man. Plus Cotton Fest. Mara. Ufi end of this month, Mask Ashambari.
Hey, Yarinbuzi. Kevone we day. Dipuri watu. Hadi kwa na pesa watu bomrami na jeri.
Mask. No.
Ni lewa we day noni.
Mask ufi Ashambari.
Kini. Hepe.
Ngazi 31st on stage.
Arana watu wako na producer suru ambara chikipa. Hey, wait. Ambara vese. Chikipa. Ari JC. Ari kujesana. Ari kutokezi. Mara
ndanditajiwa ekeli ndanditajiwa ti ndandisa kuzozondi kwa
bubesa wewe
homo nomvusa ndokwatesa ndachimda ndingaro chimda almost 5 kilometers ndisa kwamba naye
anyambe ngorno nitojina kuno musoro biega
and
as well
ngasebene bathu mndu kubuzora anabiyana
it was half past 8 it was half past 8
ndidapwa
and then ndishona machina kuno mudiri anabiyabu
so mask bana is off. Mask is off.
Hey, do you see this weather? Hey.
Oh, no, from here. Udona mvura usikala August ndizone. Atitubenda bona mvura yakuriya.
I will make few calls.
Avuya buriya yakonda.
We'll make few calls to Shaka. Na unodiba mucho.
Won't bashone. Wofanya. Umgere.
Umgere wa celebrity. Usinono what they.
There were two people never celebrate. Umshona Madi na umgere.
Rest in peace, Mr. Mchanamath.
Natamba chira ndaza uri mudiva mara ndi celebrity.
Pasa sticha mapolisa chafala. Para chafana.
Then gele no resign.
Para chafana.
That
pasa sticha mapolisa chafala tine. Roto wana mumbulero.
That guy was good, man.
Yeah, dear blind.
Wa ona team itambela team ya wena itambela yo fara buri.
Yeah, feel ya govani. Yeah, go back.
Buru vangi yako.
Yeah, go. Yeah, go.
Okay. People just don't understand. We want to finna do our course for podcast. Because there is a humble. Kalau feel zina ruburi. Really just.
Maka di jamu police aja, no, no one mumble. Ria ba blend.
Kalau macam dia orang foreigners no, ukur tambah tape record.
Ngapa siapa no one?
no mara ndo varia but
Ai, ibani.
Ai, wani diwa mama boya baturi. Ini pasti aja tici siapa polisi. Mana mama.
But you blame me for show last week. You say my bash.
Show last week blame me. You blame mama's boy.
You say my bash.
Nero wango generate kazu zote. Mara fosa le asa.
Oh, nanto about mshona madi.
Yeah, low.
Low.
Yo, that guy was like that guy.
I don't bore man.
Was there way.
Yeah, blind.
The funny part is like I always feel like it's like right here with me. Everywhere I go I feel like
nah.
Cause never lived like beside Rarote classini. Like yeah, Louis was a good friend of mine, man.
Yeah.
That boy is more of my brother, man. That guy I lived with him this long, like yo. That's why sometimes people don't understand Ori. Every time if I'm around, like when I'm home, I just make sure I go and check him out. Cry, talk.
Send pass. You push it. Send pass. You go local.
So yeah, man, yeah, I've lost. One thing people don't know is Louis was that guy that was willing to invest a lot on Venda Entertainment.
Yeah.
But it happens that he left before. Yeah, man.
Shout out to
I love that nigga. If you know the track I did called Rest in Peace, Louis. Yeah, that's when I'm talking about it. We made it high school, nigga. Yeah, man.
Don't know when kwa mbanga uri barinye. Tukzin essay yako kwa not been yako kwa.
We were supposed to talk about that on the podcast. For somebody for setera,
for somebody for
Ravanda podcast. No, look at this. And I completely forgot about that. Shit, what was I doing? Sorry about that. Look at this. Tukzini or drop a hit. Namkororo. No marketing, no nothing.
From the label.
From the label, man. They've been quiet.
Which
they
label?
Open mic. They just put it on YouTube. I haven't seen the major movement. We're not hearing Tukzin on radios. If you look at it. No, I'm on radio. Okay, fine. I think the only reason the track Atshi reached 1 million, it was because Makadzi's fan. Okay, let's leave that. Or drop a track Hasha Murilo na pechu.
Arambe nga facts. Even kwamba pongeza pam, how many views that song has now? Pongeza pam. Yeah, Tukzin. Na mkororo na heya zino.
Drop a Hasha Murilo na pechu.
Yeah,
the track. The jiguru.
Officer Hasha Murilo zino.
Una Hasha Murilo. Yo, pechu.
Blinded.
I just want to say, Paige, don't mess up your career. I think the way you're coming and you're doing your work.
That's all Shaka can do.
Kolimandis.
Okay, Ashamiro K ka Paige Tukzini.
Dako ngamba zori.
In a, I wish you can see.
6,000.
In a 3K.
Yeah.
You over 7 days ago.
Look at this.
Ashamiro.
I walk her page.
Open mic.
Yeah, open mic. So that's what I was asking questions, Uri. Zidahani Uri. Isonga page yantu.
Na hii ayoka page yantu mamun.
No, ione no ni ile.
Maronga nene no post ka yena mun.
I picked it up ka page yabo.
Yeah.
Ni cheka, yeah, open mic.
Mara usi Ashamuliro. Ni kwamba ngena.
Ashamuliro ayiho.
Ketile.
Ihone
can't. Okay?
No nanga.
Yeah.
So one thing you
If I can trade, if I kaparapara.
okay.
Ketile.
Are we getting it in different radios? No. Look at Tshivenda. The original Tshivenda is playing. Every DJ clad Indian, white, black.
Yeah.
They're all playing the song.
There was some point you could say that song was going to be song of the year. The way it was being played. Marazos, Grafia way.
It's like just an upcoming artist and again. It's like he went up and he dropped.
So Nikori, tell me.
I feel like the record label is not giving me enough attention. They're shelving him.
No, matter record label, there's so many people, but they need to be pushed.
When you drop a song,
okay, so
the record label needs to.
Ketile, Chirangano, Ka, Page, open mic,
It's
production.
about 60
In a 70K.
which is after 10 days.
Yeah.
Last time I checked, it was 60.
No. Yeah, okay, cool. Mara has been there for a month in a 70Ks.
So if they were pushing this song,
Yeah.
the way it is on TikTok, the way it is on
And
the street,
Mapungwena about the evening. Uri open mic upload them Rimbo ka YouTube. As almost you go to push. You just want money because all the money that goes to that video, you can.
yeah, record label, then they give him his portion.
We're
So-
not even sure if they're giving, but it goes to the record label. Then they do whatever they want to do with the money.
There's a lot of things, guys, we just don't want to get involved when it comes to this record label thing.
Yeah.
We keep quiet so that we don't start drama.
Yes.
Come on, Angori. Already don't label if you're in drama, re cause drama. Because for South that cause drama.
So, are you saying that Tukzini angaba kwesa muzika wa ene mun radio ni? Usintune kwesa ne?
It doesn't send music to radios because you have a record label, they need to handle.
Abako
The
send.
PR is paid to do your job.
Abako send.
Nah, they're not. Emuna, Tukzini could be big in Mozambique now.
Yes.
Tukzini can be big in
True,
Botswana. All over Africa, they will play his music because the beats he got, that boy.
Chibizero.
No, the beats of his song at Tukzini, they are way doper than me.
I
What's the name of this guy? Where of Vogue?
Yo, utlanketanga Tora, you're putting on Tukzini.
Yeah. No, I'm talking about this guy, you know, Makazi, Agopugis and Makazi, no, Shimsa
Prince
template. Prince Benza, you can tell he's using a template.
Prince Benza actually woke up in mic.
Yeah, Marazbako Mushera because other track no Makazi,
Yes.
but official album, I think official album at the share.
Yeah.
Yes. But one thing now you can tell it is a Prince Benza, it's sitting on a template. You just place things, but the bridge, it's the same place. If it's 30 seconds to the bridge, you know here is gonna pull it down.
So Nikori usainiwa
is fine, but your record label needs to put they need to put in work.
Mara, do you think most artists that Venda did usainiwa?
We have artists like Goosebane. Somebody can invest on that boy. Root Kid. Ne? Root Kid is a high school.
Oh, do you Otora or Mareba?
Look at this. I'm gonna tell you something. This is Western and Root Kid must look at.
Yeah.
Look at this boy and Akova Venda Zin. I don't know Vantun. Kabalville.
A-Reece.
Yeah, look at A-Reece.
Changurube.
Aye.
A-Reece Kabalville.
A-Reece.
Okay, you look at A-Reece. Fan base here, A-Reece is what those guys did.
Yes.
Ambitious, ne?
True.
They gave him the fan base, high school. He grew up with his high school kids. I graduated now. Misiko Gonya, but Wawaku. So he's moving with his fan base. Come on. Root Kid owns the schools, high school kids.
Yeah.
Which means he's going with them. He needs to make sure he maintains the level. Really when I look at Root Kid, I'm seeing A-Reece. Because high school kid, they're playing A-Reece music. They're playing Goosebumps music. 98.99% of music were Venda or Venrap. They all sound the same, most of them. And they don't look at the market. They don't look at the opportunities. They just want to rap on beat that sound the same.
Yeah.
Come on. They're all boxed in. I'm the Venrap artist. That's why I tell you, Me and you, we did a work song. The song that didn't really have anything. How did it end up on TV? If Rhythm City was still alive now, Goosebumps would be on Rhythm City now. Because his sound is different. He doesn't want to sound like everyone.
That unique, bruh.
Rude Kids.
Man,
I'm giving an example. I know. I'm trying to give you something. I'm trying to. Yes, no funny. Rude Kid.
People.
Rude Kid is owning the street.
You don't know me.
The moment you own the street, you run the street. And then it's the level where didn't find enough. Na Tomo Sounder. Remember Zahara? She owns South Africa. But then she started sounding
The same.
Yeah.
like she stayed on their fan base. She has a fan base in a Itera Musica. Wow, she's happy about that.
But
What minute track album you EP. Tuna EP or the EPC EP maran the EP because it's not an EP Yamakaz. Penny jealous. People will say I'm jealousing.
Hey,
look at it.
The Penny jealous.
Penny jealous is not
The Penny jealous.
it's not an EP.
It's
It's a 58 minutes.
Emma boy. Who can Penny jealous?
It's 58 minutes.
The Penny jealous.
How long should an EP be? It's 30 minutes. It goes 30 minutes 1 second. That's an album. 30 minutes.
But
it's an EP. No, wait, let me finish. What happened there? She was supposed to drop less tracks. I don't blame my cards. The management showed lack of knowledge. That's why one more release the EP.
Mara Ifan.
In a nyumbongan
10.
I want EP nyumbo that 10.
Ifan.
Now on the digital space, people record 1 minute songs. So remember gospel 1 minute or 2 minutes. Yeah, it was 1 minute something.
No, it was 2 minutes 7 seconds if I'm mistaken.
Yeah. Gospel.
No, I'm giving an example.
Gospel.
Okay, which means you can have lot of songs, 1 minute, 2 minutes. We live in digital space now, ne? And chakombechedziwa record urimbo 3 minutes zvachiloka LP uri if you record urimbo rupfupi you are wasting cassette and LP.
So Arive barinyi ndayazono ka Spotify apa noni ne like Spotify and that's a Penny jealous ne. Do you know that when you submit your song ne ka digital platforms you can choose on the EP kana the mini ne? So there is no rules binding you to release an album and say it's an EP. Auna rudu. You get what I'm saying? So hence why if I can go now to Spotify now, that's a my cards Penny jealous, ne? Don't want from EP.
Yeah.
Because there's no rule to bind you to say if Rimborwa mini that's an EP. There's no rule.
Look at this. Look at this. Yeah. There's no rule that binds.
There's no rule that binds.
You can write what you want.
Yes, you can.
Because it's no longer digital stores are not music industry standards.
So the standard no longer exist. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
You heard me on digital.
There. If I go to the album Yamakadzi Penny jealous, if you can look. You're going to EP everywhere. What already, this was a rule or something. The most Spotify you reject.
No, it's not.
Nope. So you can release whatever you want to release.
You can write. Those guys are business people. You can write what you want. Mara, when we say what was created and what has always been, an EP, it's an extended.
That we know. I know that.
Yeah.
Mara, there's no standard. There's no standards.
She released this thing called an EP.
There's no standards.
Mara, when we look at what an EP is, then EP is supposed to be.
Okay, I know what you're saying.
Okay, what is it? Someone that is saying was 7 that in the single.
You can do that. You can even say it's an album.
No, the single.
Do you know what used to happen? Mistape, it was mostly mistape. Carry in the car. It was Zinyimbo Zine. No recordanga bid Zine.
No, not really.
Kanji.
Mixtape.
Kanji. So, what qualifies to be a mixtape?
One thing is already mixtape is when you're testing the waters. You can play around with any beat.
It can be 50 songs.
50 songs,
You can still
100
call it a
songs.
mixtape.
But one thing you're testing waters. You're playing around. You can use anything you want there.
Okay.
It's a chakalaka.
Yeah.
Whether you have house kwaito, rap, maskandi, or what. That's
And
a mixtape.
Cool.
You're mixing stuff.
you can still have an album with a maskandi, hip hop, rap, whatever within it. You can still do
That's
that.
when you know your market.
No. I'm
you have
saying
your beats.
you can still do the same thing and call it an album.
And it dies.
No, but you can do it.
You can do it, but it dies.
So
yeah,
if
it's
I-
there.
if
People
I-
do that.
Nema. Let's say you're uploading a video on YouTube, ne? You know that you cannot upload your video without a title. That's mandatory.
You can.
Aye.
You put dots.
It's the title.
Nah, it's not a title.
It's a title.
It's just dots.
Dot is a title.
And then you know that
It's a title.
we decide.
It's the title.
The owner of the website is the one who decides, Uri, can you put this or not? I can put an
True.
O.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, on. No because of what. Already muzika ofi dropa EPs na kamsi na EP go put 30 minutes. On of the website was going to say no. This is this and this and this. This is wrong.
But you wanna make
now
money?
it's saying
The owner wanna make.
no. What I'm saying is the standards are no longer existing. We are living in the new world.
But
In
it's the new world. But the fact is that one is a full album.
EP.
You like it or not? That's a full
The
album.
EP.
No, it's not an EP. It's an album.
It's an EP.
That's a full album.
No.
And then we can't wait.
Okay.
The thing that we don't want to waste time on it.
The principle says is an album. According to
Thank you.
to the principle. But mira yo iko break.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you come on Gerard? Come on, I'm a rock.
Okay.
I'm by a rock.
Hey.
Why?
Arif. And I can say I'm a girl.
Why?
Good number of rock.
No matter what does your private and the what says.
No. That's what I'm going to. Come on Jeneka kaimwe site ni register loga in ne. Ni ka gender. Muntu bongorumi.
But the nature says
Ashashuma nature zino.
that's what you see.
No.
It's your decision trying to make it.
It's not my decision. It's about what the world is now.
Okay, is this green?
Hey, ngawa green kana yellow into.
You see?
It depends on how people call it.
It's what you're trying to make it be.
Nema, the standards are being broken every day.
Yeah, but Oxalayo we know Makazo release an album and call
or
it
release
an
an EP.
Or release an album and call it an EP.
What do you guys say? Is it an EP or is it an album? Mama's boy, what is it? Is it an EP or is it an album?
Yes, that's it. The album.
The album ngandirade.
Ngundi album.
Oh, an EP.
Ngundi album. The album.
It's an EP.
We
It's an
dealing with
EP.
an album.
Okay.
Okay. This. Simple question.
Yeah.
If you drink a case of Amstel,
Case
alone,
new guy.
yes, 12 ngorongoros.
Case in 24. Diba.
No.
So you will say,
There's no case in 24.
and you can't walk.
I mean, yeah, the can as long as
The can.
it's dumpy.
No,
Yes,
why?
no mama ngazinguddu.
But ngorongoro. 12 years ngorongoro.
Roba ngazinguddu.
I-
You come and get
Okay.
in the case.
Okay, if
As
you
a
drink
case,
them
you
and you
do
cannot.
mean-
As a case, I fit by case.
If you mean,
Okay,
Check on the case in the mania.
man. No, inoni
Case.
kobolo chimbila. Indora ngokambio.
Ndikati ngokambi.
Dar chimbila ardo ni 100 million.
Ndasvika. Nampanda
Rare ni songowa.
Ndasawa.
And then isongwenda
Nampanda
mili.
million ina.
Look who's talking.
Nampanda million ina.
Dude, none that 10 randa. You won't walk magamatano ni
Ndiko chimbira.
songowa.
Okay. Beside
Alright, guys.
EP
We're gonna have a challenge. This guy's gonna drink mangorongoro at 12. Asongola.
ndowolo ya baba.
Asongola. Iniko udani songola
Ah, no mangano.
at 12.
Asangola.
Yeah.
Unasongomulera mrasha.
Mama's boy. EP yamakadzi kana album yamakadzi noifaini.
Ndidhiva pene jealous page.
Noifaini.
I listened to a couple of tracks.
Ihani.
It's released for the fans,
Yes.
not to gain.
That's why EP ngora ayiru.
It's not.
That's why EP ngora ayiru. Album makadzi yamu ndibazo album
Mara
wisa.
kafene dzawe iko tukura.
Mara ayiko urwa. for people.
Karen never in the area. There was always music and yes.
If I. Last album in Makazi we had. If you. Go.
Yeah, Mateki.
Yeah. You had.
Hot.
No ni ani zone.
Hey,
I go wrong on the EP.
Or release a friend
EP. I go wrong on the EP. It was someone was on it. Album Makazi is goes extra miles.
So
I bet you money to Nimbo was recorded. I don't want to Bamulova. I bet you was recorded Bamulova.
look at this. I think she's
Bamulova. Namusa from the EP as well. Yeah. I'm gonna feel bad. I feel bad.
No serious. No combo sorry. I don't release the wangana wawe.
The
EP.
In you wanted to do something. Nyamda Kremen.
Criminal.
Nani sa I'm the chief restaurant na Masimba. Unama munaji delu mtala chief Kremen. Doja na paka ntiang. Ni dole Kremen.
Oh, Kremen. Amara musica wala man musica
Crime is one of the tracks that sold the most.
When I watch in a trend so if you be there to maintain going around comes to the day so let me play this song. This song I was laughing.
Nyamda Crime. Hey, unalo hoto rafi. Afini ko record dawdi mbona musumura. I'm with my beat to movie.
Because I got the higher.
Of me, I'm coughing it out.
As a trap, so. Go. In fact,
anything you want to get.
We have to close this.
Chibura boom.
London
comedian rapper.
Yeah, okay. Kidika.
I can boom bam.
Even you below it.
I can that.
Many gay young woman is also a woman.
Michael Dapa.
Michael Dapa.
Michael Dapa.
I can kung. And dum.
Mama's boy. Before you viral your mean.
Guys, this slogan. I subscribe. I like. What's stream? Whatever it is.
Whoa, before we close,
Marani.
Yeah. But what is Zola their donation?
Oh, hey, man.
One thing people don't understand. Zola Angori, I want your donation.
But what of force?
We like for the past 2 years, or if not 3, we'll be asking him or Zola, we want to donate. People have been asking, they want to donate, they want to do that. The fact that Gigi, he was drinking, doesn't mean he's drinking your money or what. Zola never said he's broke.
Yeah.
He knows that he's sick. Mara, he didn't say he's broke. Because
simple.
You choose to drink and drink. The problem is people are saying Zola is drinking donation money. Did he ask you to donate? Look. If I come and pour whatever is poured in here and Mengel decide to smoke this shit, do I have to complain about all these things?
The Nyaupe podcast.
Guys, people must stop terrorizing Zola because Zola didn't ask you for your money or anything. People forced him, they want to donate.
Zola's not broke.
And then people donated, and Zola's going to chow the money, and then you might donate again and donate again. But Zola said he's okay. He was doing whatever he was doing. He was chilling at his home. We honored him. So does it mean if I decide to stop eating rice and eat pap, now you want to tell me, but my donation was for you to eat rice? Come on. I wonder what Chibu is more.
Let's get it off here, bro.
Mama's boy, guys, you have nothing to say.
Hey, it's cold.
Nothing to say.
The only thing that
way
I can
cold.
say to you guys, you are doing good.
Yeah.
You know,
Like then, those who are angry, those who are angry for Sawas here, guys, You can get pissed all you want, but you need to understand. We're here to do the podcast and we let people speak.
And we love you guys, and we really do love you.
And arinandwa zorine zijisani
asudrine
kana riri kugidimezana vateveri rine we're doing what we're doing for the love and we're having fun, you know. We chose to do this ngori the weekend rikongo varo relaxa ari chila chipingo kitoro chimira kuda bend down chimira konka ni
but you guys you have to understand what we are doing because it ngori yazifuna and you have to understand this podcast asiyasho ngiyabe yiwe neriko this labe umapungwe anebe waniyadibi and riko ngori niyadibe so guys we love you and we really do like you a lot. So
given you know we are mad riko ngori coffee offer
another thing so was on a competition in car we do this
we do this music
they'll see we do this they'll see those ZA competition ya chicha hone Feb
300 man
Feb number 1
then you get 500
over who musiwana varindi lab map actually baba and March over who red B and a pros boy and ngatreke yabo anefala competition is wrong so you tomanga March
and the one thing we need to tell you guys rap and rap sing and sing but go to school. If you're not going to school, have something you're doing that will still keep you up if music doesn't work. If you don't do that and you can go to school. Become a slave, like do everything you want to do, guys. Mara, if the music doesn't work, have something to fall back on. Hey, one thing again.
Anyone? I
don't know.
Uyangakufele kwangana ngane social media bangayo. Bako thotha ka.
Bofuna awe urodadzura pa doncha ngaro rukudza zvapo. Ngori ne muna kwambori vakwebo vofara chitoko.
And she's beautiful. Nanda ngasichiri chekha ndo vakwebo.
Oyina utamata. Ramdeva.
Chombo ndikuchitawo.
Offerana alsa last week.
Uradza muntu useungawa.
No, atukose.
Osiyanga uradza muntu.
Ombrasna. Vari mamazu. Hayi.
Osiyanga sasa yanu koi. Osiyanga sasa yanu.
Hayi, ufi mama must be asna.
Osiyanga sasa yanu koi.
Ufuka mama zana wonaka koi.
Sasa aseungawa.
Ambara rukubuchena. Kana toponzani. Wala ngona arichiza mama must boy wonori angasikona uri hello. Mama boy modiwa ndofaranga
anda ufa.
Uvodo bona muntu wabudi.
Arode se prepare.
Ndona space zopamba nozvinje.
Oroguma prepare.
Madiru chela kare gerente bathu bamzimu. Onchiza.
Omchiza. Serious.
Two glass. No two glass and that for him water right.
Guys, don't forget we love you, man.
We love you.
Subscribe, like, view,
check
comments.
This out. Niribudzori zvakumba kwebo vako given uri vako tota. Mama's boy uri vako tota.
Namea tota.
Kina mea tota ardivi so you're trying to follow up the news. Mara ni Nema ni duka nswana ni ngwana ndwa mahungoni when was funa bari we gotta do this. Man nigga.
I'm out of here.
We do this all the time.
Stand chance to win, man. Keep on winning. Win and win more.
I bet the website they're for you guys. They're for you.
Swachitangani.co.za.
You don't even pay.
Yeah.
You don't even subscribe, dude. To
upload music. Mama's boy. Hey.
Chamber. The Mzaiya fair for you. We are out.
We love you guys.
Peace.
You
know how we do it every Tuesday.
I'm with my brother, man, Gail.
You know how we do it. Agriculture is the future, guys. Agriculture is the future.
Yeah. We can't live without agriculture.
We are out.
Guys, we'll see you. We love